No, they all took off. There was like 40 of them, adults.
Okay, so I can throw
40 adult ducks.
I can throw a set?
Yep, throw it in, little guy. As long as you got a good worm on there, I think you're going to get something on the way back. Keep your balance. It's pretty good boat that way. See how the 9.8 slows down now for you. Just let it in and just, you can take the, tension off. Went in, eh, Chuck? Yeah. Up in the bow, missed his jump, and he went. Pulled him up by the scruff of his neck. He's dry now. Max is happy, I think. Aren't you, Max? Pretty happy? Yeah. Well, once Adam pulls in about a 3-pounder, he'll be happy too. The little guy jumped up on the bow. I thought he was going in again.